used to say self-acceptance. Used to sometimes hate the way my mouth moved. If your mouth was full, around people who weren't. Wanting to change. You know, when you have people that you meet that want to change you, because they want you to look like something else or someone else. Complexes and phobias. I try my best to stay out of the sun. I need the vitamin D. I need the vitamin D though. I guess God is a complicated character.